Thank you so much to all my amazing subscribers for always watching and supporting my videos. I truly appreciate you. And if you're new here, you're so welcome. I'm happy you're here. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our healthy recipes. So today, I am excited to share with you how I make my homemade Greek yogurt. It's simple, fresh, and absolutely delicious. So you can see right in there, I first of all added 4 cups of powdered milk into the bowl. Next, I added 3 cups of hot boiling water and stirred it properly to make sure the milk is properly dissolved. And after which, I added extra 2 cups of normal room temperature water and stirred properly. Then I added 1 cup of active life culture and stirred it all together. After that, I strained the mixture to remove any lumps, and then I poured it back into a clean container. You can see the process there to make sure it is lump free. So I now added it into a clean bowl. I covered it and then wrapped it up nicely with a kitchen cloth. Then placed it inside my warm oven and left it to ferment for about 22 hours. So that's it. And after 22 hours, I brought it out, and as you can see, it was already beautifully thick. There was no need to strain again, but if you prefer an even thicker texture, you can go ahead and strain yours. I then poured my Greek yogurt into a container and refrigerated it, where it became even thicker and creamier. To enjoy it, I served some into a bowl, added diced apples, some groundnuts, and a teaspoon of ground flaxseed. I gave it a little stir, and oh, it was so refreshing. Making your own Greek yogurt at home is a wonderful way to enjoy a healthier, preservative-free snack, and you get to control exactly what goes into what you eat. Greek yogurt is not only rich in protein but also great for gut health and overall wellness. Thank you so much for watching.